Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Android car radio. Vertical screen. The display effect is more three-dimensional. With Wi-Fi connected, Google Maps can be used perfectly. You can go anywhere you want and never get lost again. Through it you can control the functions you need by steering wheel, more convenient. You can enjoy music from your mobile phone without any cables, and also support USB connection. Car slope meter. The built-in level slope meter accurately displays the current roll angle and pitch angle of the vehicle. When it exceeds 30 degrees, an alarm will be issued to ensure driving safety. GPS satellite positioning vehicle to obtain the current driving speed with overspeed alarm function, as well as display the local time. Mirror dash cam displays the real-time traffic situation on the road. Provides 3 times wider view than traditional rear view. 2.5K resolution with Sony sensor offers super clear footage. Capture details on driver's journey all day and night. Known for wide viewing angles, great variety of colors, improved color accuracy, offering higher display quality. Leather Car Organiser creates extra storage space such as smartphone, parking tickets, wallet, water cup, etc. Excellent workmanship and exquisite looking, made of superior leather, add fashion to your car interior. Prevent small items dropping into the gap. Fills the gap between console and car seat. Alcohol breath tester. Quickly estimate your blood alcohol concentration with this small and contactless alcohol breathalyzer. No need to worry about forget to install a mouthpiece or hygiene issue. You can directly blow to the tester inhaler without a mouthpiece, more convenient and safe. Car seat rear phone holder. Collapsible, adjustable, 360-degree rotation, and universal for phone and tablet. Must-have gift for pacifying children. Adjustable range of distance 5 cm to 25 cm. Compatible with 4.7 to 12.3 inches smartphone. The angle can be adjusted freely to meet various postures. Car Jump Starter, LED bright digital display screen, intuitively refer to the current power data. Whether it is a hot zone of 80 degrees Celsius or a cold climate of -40 degrees Celsius, you can use the starter power normally. Extra long standby charging one time can spare 1 year. The emergency power supply is not only used to ignite the car, but also can be used as a flashlight. Solar car clock, time, date, week, temperature display, with travel time timing display and reminder function. Using high precision clock movement, accurate time. Automatic switch on and off, start with the car, stop and stand for a period of time, automatically shut down. Always bright night light, day and night can be clearly viewed. Charging mode, solar and micro USB dual charging mode. Multi-gauge. This gauge work with electronic sensor. Turbo gauge, vacuum gauge, oil press gauge, volt gauge, oil temp gauge, water temp gauge, tachometer, and vacuum gauge are available. Car Power Inverter. Inverter provides 200 watts continuous DC to AC output power to charge your multiple electronic devices on the go. 3 AC outlets, 5 USB charging ports, and a QC 3.0 fast charging port ideal for powering 9 devices simultaneously. Equipped with double lighter holes that support cigarette lighting, which is more convenient to use. Cup holder expander. The cup holder for the car is equipped with 2 storage cups by adjusting the rotatable base, small in size and large in capacity, for the purpose of saving car space, and can hold 2 drinks at the same time. Our Link has 3 joints that can rotate 360 degrees, so you can freely adjust the desired position and height. Magnetic car phone holder. Strong attraction for iPhone 12 series. High stability, suitable for any conditions. 3M adhesive on the bottom of the car mount to stick to the center console as firm as a rock. Jaw clips covered by bottom shell, and upgraded anti-swing steel cores to firmly clamp air vents. LED car safety light. The light bar will light up with the opening of the car door, with a strobe effect, to remind the rear to come to the car, to improve safety. The bottom of the car light is white light, the light project on the ground, so that you can see the ground clearly when you get off the car. Avoid stepping on water or garbage. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.